Welcome to Anand Network Tutorial. Today we will explore the complete packet journey inside the Palo Alto firewall. Let's step inside the firewall and understand how packets are processed. I was reading about firewall packet flow yesterday. It looks complicated.
Yes, I noticed that too.
The firewall checks security policies, NAT rules and sessions. Exactly.
I wish someone could explain it clearly.
Good morning everyone. Today we will learn the packet flow inside the Palo Alto firewall. Let's start from the moment a packet enters the firewall. This firewall sits between your internal network and the internet. It inspects all traffic, allowing safe data and blocking threats. This protects your network from attacks and unauthorized access. When a user sends traffic, the packet first arrives at the firewall interface. The firewall identifies the incoming interface and security zone. The firewall checks if a session already exists. If a session exists, packets move quickly through the firewall. If the session does not exist, the packet enters slow path processing. The firewall performs deep inspection. Once the session is created, the remaining packets follow the fast path. This improves performance. The firewall now checks policy-based forwarding, also called PBF. PBF allows administrators to override normal routing and send traffic to a specific next hop. If no PBF rule matches, the firewall performs a routing lookup. The routing table decides where the packet should go next. The firewall now checks NAT rules. Private IP addresses are translated to public IP addresses. The firewall evaluates the security policy rule. This determines whether the traffic is allowed or denied. For example, Rule 1 allows web traffic from the internal network. Rule 2 blocks external traffic for security. The firewall checks whether the requested website is allowed. This is done through URL filtering policies. The firewall scans traffic for malware, exploits, and attacks. If a threat is detected, the packet is blocked. The firewall also protects sensitive information. This feature is called data loss prevention. Watch how it blocks a sensitive file from leaving the network. After passing all security checks, the firewall forwards the packet to the destination. The firewall records connection details in the session table. This allows it to track the communication. A firewall sits between the internal network and the internet. It inspects and controls traffic.
Sir, is this why firewalls are called stateful devices?
Exactly. They track the state of connections to make decisions. The packet flow includes packet arrival, session lookup, NAT processing, security policy check, application identification, threat inspection, packet forwarding. Understanding firewall packet flow is very important for every network and security engineer. If you want to learn networking in a simple and practical way, subscribe to Anand Network Tutorial. I will bring more networking and security topics in the next videos.